Hello, family, and thank you so much for tuning in to another episode of Uneatly Tay. Today, I'm participating in the Crystal Clear Tablescape 2020, hosted by my fabulous big sis, Tammy of Me, Myself, and DIYing It. And I want you to just tune in to my Tablescape. All right, let me tell you a little bit about my tablescape. In today's tablescape, I have my charger right here, silver charger, my clear dinner plate, my clear saucer, and I also have a nice cute little bowl. Get a little closer so you can see the design. It has a design pattern in it. And I also have some crushed glass and a beautiful jewel in the center. I have my champagne flute and my regular champagne glass. Also a circle glass champagne holder where it's acting as a coaster for my tablescape. I'm using my silver spoon and fork right here on both sides. It's the same setting on the opposite side too. My table for today is my summer night table. That is the whole theme of my table. My tablecloth here is very festive with summer fruit and summer theme. It has watermelons and star fruit. It has pears and oranges. It has a lot of beautiful, bright, vibrant colors. Elegant tablescape. When you late night, you may be on the beach or you may be in your yard. But pretty much this is what I have for you all today. Thank you so much to the ladies of Diva Dynasty. Thank you to the host, of course, my big sis, Miss Tammy. Also, her fabulous, and talented co-host, Miss Alberta from Mysterious Alberta, Miss Cynthia from Cynthia, She's So Blessed. Also, Miss Lynn of Lynn Lifestyle Living. And we cannot forget Miss Geraldine of Diva Decorating. All of those ladies are so talented. They have great content and excellent channels. Please go check them out. Make sure you support all of them. They are great people. And also make sure you check out that playlist. On the playlist, there are going to be other content creators that's creating great content, excellent tables. Make sure you check it out, everyone. It will be linked in my description box. The host's link will be in my description box and also the playlist. right, family, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Always remember to create, explore, and enjoy. And I love all of you. Catch you in the next video.